my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an instant skin lightening mask that would help you to exfoliate your dead skin cells. It will help you to brighten up your skin. It will also help you to glow your skin. So those are the three things that this remedy is going to do to your skin. Alright, so let's dive into this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, thumbs up, and let's go. Now, to lighten up your skin, you're going to be needing to use tomato. Now, tomato is a great exfoliating remedy that helps to lighten up the skin. It helps the skin glow. It also helps to rejuvenate the skin. Tomato also helps to remove all unwanted hair, and it contains a lightening property which helps to lighten up the skin. Then we're going to be needing to use potato. Now, potato naturally contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin. It works wonders in removing wrinkles, fine lines, and as well as dark spots. And it helps to glow up the skin. It is a natural anti-aging remedy that helps to tighten up the pores and remove all dark spots. Now we're going to be needing to use magic white. Now magic white is a glycerin on its own that helps to lighten up the skin when mixed with other ingredients. Now if you're using magic white, you would have to use it in a very small quantity because it is really hot and it's lighten up the skin really well. And then we're going to be making use of snow white. Snow white is used in mixing up skin lightening property, and it's also a natural remedy that polish up the skin. So firstly, I'm going to be grating the tomato. So now I would have to also be grating the potato in the same bowl. So I'm going to be sieving this out. I'm also going to be sieving the tomato so that we can actually just use the tomato juice. So now I would have to be putting in the snow white. Just a little quantity of snow white is okay, guys. Just like that. And then some few drops of whitening glycerin. That is okay. And the whitening glycerin is actually very thick. So now you would have to stir this all up and make sure that the snow white is dissolved into this mix. Alright guys, so after which you've mixed this, you can actually store it in a container like this. Alright guys, so since you've actually put in the whitening glycerin and as well as the snow white, okay, make sure it doesn't get into your mouth. Alright, so this is going to be your skin lightening remedy. Now you can spray this all over your body. Let me do that. Spray it all over your body. Alright, and then you would have to rub it, okay? You can as well just take some of that and rub it on your body. Now you can store this in the fridge for 5 days, okay? Use it morning and night, and you're going to achieve that lightening skin that you so desire. Alright? So when you rub it, you would have to wait for like 10 to 20 minutes. It's going to dry on your skin, and then you can actually go wash it off. And in 2 weeks of using this, you're going to see your skin really lighter. Now this, because of some of the natural ingredients in it, this is going to take up to 2 weeks. Well, of course, it's going to give you that result in which you want. You can spray it on your face, you can spray it on your body, you can spray it on your leg. If you have dark knuckles, this is actually going to help you to remove all of the dark knuckles, dark elbow, dark knee, and dark thigh. Alright? Excessively exposing yourself to the sun actually makes you dark, and also some many factors, not taking your bath, not washing your face, not using the right soap, and all of that, you know, tend to make you dark. So this remedy is going to help you to renew your skin. So if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.